Even if you don't want to be rich, you can't deny the importance of money. With more of it, you can live where you want, take care of your needs, and indulge in your favorite hobbies with the reassurance that you'll always have a roof over your head and more than enough food to eat. Money is an incredibly important part of our existence. In today's video, we'll explore the skills you need to acquire to become rich. Whether you're looking to improve your financial health or aiming for wealth accumulation, these skills will help pave the way towards financial security and independence. Number 1, sustained focus. Technology has been a blessing and a curse to mankind. While it's possible to communicate with people across the globe, it's also stupendously difficult to put all these gadgets down. Modern's life exists in a world filled with distractions. At each and every second of the day, something is competing for your attention. This has messed up our attention span as a species. It's also created opportunity. Anyone who can focus on a task without interruption for at least 45 minutes distinguishes themselves from 98% of the population. By developing your ability to focus, you enhance your productivity, tap into your creative potential, reduce stress, and develop resilience, all traits required to earn more wanga. Research has suggested that working in small chunks of time with integrated rest periods is the key to helping with focus. This is because your attention tends to wane after a certain period of time. Instead of trying to smash everything out in one sitting, start with 15 minutes of deep focus, and then take a break before resuming for another 15 minutes. When it gets too easy to do 15 minutes, increase it to 20 minutes, and so on. This method is often referred to as the Pomodoro technique. It's a popular time management technique used to help you resist distractions and retrain your brain to focus. Number 2, taking action. Footballers play football every day. Writers write every day. Programmers code every day. What are you doing every day? As the popular saying goes, we are what we repeatedly do. The more action you take, the more seeds you plant. This increases your chances of getting lucky. The secret to becoming an action taker is to have doers around you. We've all heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, it's true. Spend time with people who inspire you to be better. It also helps to break your goals into the smallest possible action steps. Identify what you can do today to start making progress and attack that objective relentlessly. Number 3, sales. From the screen you're watching this on to the clothes you're wearing and the location you're at, everything in your life has been sold to you. If you're not selling to anyone, you're still being sold to regardless. This is why many people stay broke. You can't be afraid to sell if you want to make money. Selling is a massive part of human existence. You must sell people on your character, skills, and more. The better you get at sales, the better your bank balance looks, and your life as a whole. The easiest way to improve your sales skills is to change your perspective on selling. It's less about convincing and more about understanding. You're not selling, you're just solving a problem. If a potential client can't write 1 blog post a week, but you can, you're helping them by offering your services. It also helps to find a mentor who's cracked selling. They'll be able to give you a rundown on techniques that are more likely to increase your sales. Number 4, communication skills. Becoming the best version of yourself is about finding the right who's to help you expand your capacity. For example, getting a job is much easier when someone who works at the company refers you. According to Pinpoint, you're 7 times more likely to be hired when referred than if you apply via a job board. This phenomenon plays out everywhere in life. It's not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Who you know depends on your ability to communicate. If you have poor communication skills, you're limiting yourself to what you can achieve alone. You must be able to tell people what you need so they can help you. But you must also be able to understand what others need so you can help them. Your ability to communicate impacts all areas of your life. The first step to becoming a master communicator is to become an interested listener. The better you are at listening, the better you'll be at communicating. Allow the other person to be heard. Listening effectively shows you can receive and interpret information, which is vital for engaging conversations. It also helps to think before you speak. Take time to process everything. This enables you to articulate your message effectively and reduce ambiguity. Number 5, have a vision. Success requires consistency. Consistency requires discipline. Discipline comes when you know what you want and the steps to get there. In other words, you can't be disciplined without a clear vision of where you're going because it's a byproduct. Anytime you find yourself relying on willpower and motivation to get started, you've got a clarity issue. Your vision makes you intentional. All of your actions are filtered through the lens of where you want to go. The clearer it is, the more intentional you can be. You must have a clear vision if you want to increase your income. Decide on what you want and stick to it. Don't allow your current circumstances to determine what you want. Think big. Commit to doing this daily. Your vision gets clearer as you take more action. You start to realize what's possible. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.